Hi, Stephanie. This is Chad Hawkins with Sticky Labs. Wanted to make you a quick custom video to show you how our firm can greatly increase your online presence and business. Just wanted to run through a few things here. I'm on your home page, and we've worked with quite a few attorneys around the country and have had some success with them for a couple reasons. Number one, as your site, you have a great site. What we've noticed, though, is that there are some things that a lot of attorney sites are missing, which are preventing them from ranking locally. And that's a lot of what we do is help small businesses get their websites ranked on the top of Google searches, because, as you know, or I'm assuming you know, that that can generate a lot of business. I can show you what some of your competitors are doing with Google Ads, spending tens of thousands of dollars to attract new customers, where there's a much better way to do it organically. So I'm on your homepage here, and just a couple of things. Number one, what you have to understand about how Google works and the algorithms work is the first and foremost, it's driven by content and authoritative content. What we like to see is at least 1,000 words on a homepage, and you can see you've got a little bit of content here, but not much. That's the main way that the Google bots, when they read a page, determine the value of a page. And a good example of this would be Wikipedia. So if we were to go to Wikipedia, and go to Google, and let's Google water buffalo. I mean, we can really be anything. What you'll find is that Wikipedia is almost always at the top of that organic search, and the reason why is because of the amount of content on that page. You know, the whole point of Google is they want to give you the best search result possible for whatever search word you're looking for. And so the more content, and it needs to be specific content that you have, the better chance you have of being ranked. And we can do this, I think hibiscus flowers, and again, this could be anything. But you'll always notice that Wikipedia is always going to be close to the top. And so this is the first strategy that we look at when we come back to building sites. And not only the content, but how it's laid out as well is very important. The second thing is going to be citations. And what citations are is how many other sites are linked to your site. And I have sort of tools to check all of this. And this is a tool that I used, and you can see I've put in your URL, and you have 8 citations and 0 trust flow. All this means is Google, when it comes to a website, one of the ways that they determine the value of a website and where it should rank in their searches is how many other websites are linked to that website. And this caps out at about 100, so you can see you have a pretty low citation flow. The trust flow is what you can see here is link quality, and I don't want to get too technical here, but both of these can be raised to significantly increase your ranking in Google. And I did some searches. I found your website through actually an ad in the newspaper. Actually, we're looking to work with a local attorney on a consulting basis, and I think that you're a great candidate because you've got a great business, you got a great reputation set up, and it would take some work, but it would be very doable to get you ranked in the top of the Google searches locally. So if we go back to Google here, and this would be something we would work with you with to find out what you want to be ranked for. But let's say that it's divorce attorney. Let's go divorce attorney, Colorado Springs. And by the way, this can change significantly depending on even very subtle changes in the keywords that someone's searching for. But these are the top attorneys here. So this is what we call the map pack. And part of what we do is get you ranked in this map pack. There's always the top 3, and you've got a paid ad here. And by the way, I can show you what your competition is paying for these ads. It's pretty significant. They're paying to be at the top here, but I can also show you a lot of stats. About 70 to 80% of people on Google don't look at the paid ads. They go right to what's considered the organic listings. These will work, but long term, there's a much better way to do it. And so we can take a look at, sort of what the top searches are here. I did not find you. I went back maybe 5 pages and didn't see you. And I tried a couple different searches. I tried divorce attorney. I tried family attorney. And as you know, this is a very competitive business. But there are some very, very key strategies that we can do to significantly increase this ranking for you and increase your business. So I hope that gives you a little bit of insight as to what we do. I'd love to talk with you further about this. And if this makes sense to you, you can give me a call or send me an email and let's set up a time to talk. All right, Stephanie, talk to you soon.